Sanchez Morano, Honorable Rodolfo C. Abella, Honorable Rosemary V. Salvacion, Honorable Jamon J. Pares, the Honorable Medin Diaz, Honorable Dennis S. Placer, Honorable Ramel O. Yaneza, the Honorable Alan T. Lee, the Honorable Harvey Jasper D. Bala, the Honorable Albert T. Abayan, the Honorable Franz R. Anuevo, and the Honorable Florabel A. Lamco. Madam Presiding Officer, having 13 members present in perfect attendance, there is certified before a quorum for this morning's 114th regular session.
Upon the certification of our Secretary, the 114th regular session has a quorum.
Madam Presiding Officer, the next item is the reading and consideration of the minutes of the 111th, 112, and 113th regular session, as well as the third special session.
The body would like to move for its adoption. Honorable Rosemary, can you move for the adoption of the minutes of the meeting? Honorable, ikaw po. Instead of Honorable Rosemary, Honorable Rodolfo.
Thank you, Madam President.
Okay.
I noticed that the motion of Honorable Bala for the reorganization of the committee, which was duly seconded, was not recorded in the minutes of the 111th regular session under page 2. If you will count line 18, which I read. With this, Madam Chair, I move for the reorganization of our committees until at this juncture, Honorable Pares requested to be recognized. But the motion of Honorable Bala for the organization was duly seconded. It was not reflected in the...
The motion of Honorable Bala was not properly seconded because he was the one who called the attention of, who recognized Honorable Yaneza to second his motion. And in our internal rules, it is only the presiding officer who could recognize any members of the council to second the motion. That's why I asked him that I think, and after that, I recognized Honorable Pares because he also raised his hands. Diba ganun?
Madam Chair, point of clarification.
I'm not in, even though the action of Honorable Bala, so, but I myself seconded the motion of Honorable Bala.
Yes, but it has to be recognized by the presiding officer.
I seconded the motion of Bala. So I moved that the second shall be recorded in the minutes. I so moved.
Madam Chair, point of order, Madam Chair.
Okay, Honorable Jess.
Madam Chair, point of order.
Honorable Bala, you are not yet recognized. I have recognized.
If you are not
Honorable
recognized, please go back to your seat, please. Madam Chair, may I invite everyone, please, if you have the IRP, please read rule number 9, section 63, creation of committee. The following rules shall be observed in the creation of committees. Paragraph A, a regular or standing committee may be created or recognized by a majority vote of all the members of the Sanggunian.
With due respect to my ate.
Paragraph B, let me finish first.
She's not answering
Let me finish first, because we are talking the IRP. Let me finish. Just wait for your call. No, Madam Chair. Paragraph B, the presiding officer I am recognized. The presiding officer nag-recognize po sa akin ang ating presiding officer. This is the answer of your
manifestation.
Order, please.
Let me finish first because we have the rules. We have the Bible here in our
Honorable Meden, please stop first. Honorable Abelia, Honorable Abella, let us listen first, and after her delivery of her of that, this is the time for you to tell her if she has not the point or she's not answering your question.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
To have an order in this session.
Can I continue, Madam Chair?
Yes, yes.
Paragraph B, the presiding officer may recommend the creation or reorganization of any regular or standing committee. The Sanggunian shall act on his recommendation without debate and vote on it immediately. Without debate and vote on it immediately. Then, may I invite everyone to please also read the proposal legislative measures for it's section 12. Okay. Proposed ordinances and resolutions shall be in writing and shall contain an assigned number, a title or caption on enacting or ordaining clause, and the date of its proposed effectivity. In addition, every proposed ordinance's resolution may be accompanied by brief explanatory note containing the justification for its approval. It shall be signed by the author or authors and submitted to the Sangguniang Secretary, who shall report the same to the Sangguniang at its next meeting or as may be included in the order of business in any session. Madam Chair, my question is, the proposal for the reorganization, nakatanggap ba ang ating SB Secretary ng proposal or justification na magre-reorganize tayo, na kailangan ba may papalitan o may hindi nagpa-function na committee? Say for example, may committee. I am committee chair sa education. So, hindi ba ako nagpa-function? Wala ba ako dito? Wala bang nare-refer sa akin? Siguro naman, before tayo mag-proceed doon sa reorganization ng mga committee natin, let's justify muna. Ano ba yung committee? Kasi pwede naman natin mapag-usapan. Dati naman kasi wala naman tayong problema. Nagpa-function na lahat naman ng committee. Medyo nagkahiwa-hiwalay naman tayo nga lang. Pero, again, kailangan natin trabahuin at saka i-figure out natin, justify natin. Ano bang committee ang hindi nagpa-function? Meron bang nagpipreside dito lagi? May nare-refer ba lagi na hindi na-actionan? May hindi ba talaga nagpa-function? So let's figure it out. Hindi lang sa as easy as that. Nandito may ARP tayo na sinusunod. Siguro kung may letter si Honorable Bala na kailangan i-reorganize, okay lang naman sa amin yun. It's not a problem. Let's justify kung ano mga committee ba yung hindi nagpa-function, and that's not a problem. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Madam Chair.
Also, let me add from the chair. The internal rules of procedure, it's part, the reorganization of the internal, reorganization of our committees is part also of the rules in the internal rules and procedures. It says that before we can amend the internal rules and procedure, we have first to notify. Parehas pa rin sa kanya. We have first to notify.
Madam Chair, I have pending motion na I requested and duly seconded that the motion of Honorable Bala for the reorganization was duly seconded by the majority. I myself.
Yes, you said it was duly seconded, but the chair did not recognize the second of all the members present. Because after that, I called the attention of Honorable kasi gusto ko rin pakinggan yung gusto niya sasabihin.
Take the audio. We have already seconded. Ano yung mga deny that? We started to bias.
No, but I did not recognize Honorable Ruby.
No, may resolve yung meeting, honorable meeting, ang layo doon sa issue ko. Willing reason this person, Honorable Bala is willing to answer all queries regarding the report of the reorganization. No, it is outside my issue.
Honorable Maiden, please do not answer because you are not recognized. Okay. So your question, can you repeat the question so that Honorable Ruby can...
I move that the same be recorded yung seconded by the majority for the motion of Honorable Bala for the reorganization. That is my issue. It is outside the...
Can we ask our secretariat if you have heard that? Secretariat, can you review the record?
If the point is just that the motion, second of the 7 were not recorded or it heard, it was very clear that the presiding officer did not rule in your favor. So it should also be given because it is always that on the hierarchy of motion, the order of business is much higher than any motion. So we were on the order of business of delivering privilege on the privilege hour, right? That crop up from the motion was from a result of a privileged speech delivered by Honorable Bala and per IRP internal rules of procedure. If we are really very attendant of the provisions of such motions like that should also it is provided that a notice, a written notice for such must be given. So that is why maybe our presiding officer did not look in our favor.
From the chair. Wait,
So,
Honorable Abella, remember when I told him which comes first, the internal rules and procedure or your motion? Because we have to follow the internal rules and procedure, which says that during the privilege hour, it's just Honorable Bala, you are not yet recognized. Sergeant at Arms, please accompany him to his seat because he is not yet recognized.
What violation?
Because you are not recognized. I am talking
There's a
about...
violation of the internal rules. That is why there is a point of order.
Yes, I said I am answering. I said
That's
from the
that
chair
is why
because I am
asking
saying
the members
here.
of the council to always
Honorable Bala, you are out of order.
parliamentary rules.
Honorable Bala, you are out of order. Please sit down because I am talking to Honorable Abella. Honorable Abella, if you could remember, sabi ko baga, which comes first, sabi ko sa kanya, which comes first? Sabi ko sa kanya, your internal rules and procedure. Because you are not recognized. In order for you to come to the podium, you have to be recognized first. And remember, you have to respect because I am talking to Honorable Abella here. And it's part of parliamentary procedure. Honorable, okay. We have 1 minute recess.
Adi may internal rules kita, Dennis. Hindi ka magpupunta. Adi may Bible kita. Ay, tayo na lang yung own rules.
Hindi, para patawag paano kita sa makatuloy-tuloy sa mga agenda sa hindi pa ma-action na nila ng existing motion. I am asserting my rights, constitutional rights. As member of this body, as member of this council, I have the rights. Pero sinusunod ko naman sentiment na dapat maaprubahan na ina na ginasabi din na ano na ito ginahulat sa tanan. Ginanap. Tapos na ina, dispensa na ina ng mga Clarence meeting my result. How come I can function without committee? Inangkasan akong committee. Paano ko makapangsida? Tapuson na na ini, kaya para makapunan na kita paano man ina na may ginahulat na gina-abrangay sa tanan?
Sir, pag kita magtanong sa mga sweldotan, dahil nga kita nagkakaroon din.
Ang nangyari kasi, misleading na naman. The majority civil council was under the pursuant to the local government code, particularly section 452. There are only two can convene the special session, the majority and the executive. And hence, because we have the majority, we will convene tomorrow. We will convene tomorrow for a special session just to tackle the bonuses, the CNA and SRI, and no other agenda to that effect. Tapos na muna yan, let's set aside muna yung political. But we have to address to the people interest. Kailangan po natin ini. Kaya kami naman ang ma-issuehan, mahabo kami. No, hindi kami habo sa mga benefits, mga privilege, hindi kami habo. Gusto lang namin na talagang may mga issues na kailangan namin resolbahan. Yung reorganization, wala namang problema sa reorganization. Habo ako mabatong si committee. Kasi wala naman talaga akong committee pang ginabaton, kaya hindi man talaga ako sa committee ko. Wala man akong committee. So ganito yun, no? Tomorrow, we will call an special session for the tackling and approval of the CNP, collective negotiation agreement and according to our budget officer, good news, more or less 50,000 ang empleyado. For the first time, gandang impact. Sir, thank you so much. So, kailangan natin parang bago mag-Pasko, may ihatag sa iyo. Wala namang problema. Pero, other than that, wala na kaming politically, wala na kaming kasi may mga issues na pending. So, we called the attention of the Secretariat bukas may special session for the approval only for the bonuses. So, di yan matatapos. Wala matatapos. Di matapos. Organization. Anong purpose ng reorganization? Anong legal ground? Because of loss of confidence, trust and confidence of their committees or particularly the administration. So, kailangan po natin na reorganize because the majority have spoken already. Nag-istorya na ang majority. And the Sangguniang, this is not only for the presiding officer, for the minority. It is for the majority. Kami gin-elect sa mga tao nagtuod sa amon. Kaya nga ni kami nagatuod. Dili na kamo, ang iba. Kaya nga ni kami, wala kami, we must be responsive to the call of the everybody. Kailangan po natin ini. Pero paano man natin ini i-address? Hindi kita makabukom. Nadamdamo pa si mga barangay supplemental na mga approval, pending. Paano yung mga barangay? Paano yung ano sa inyo, mga class actions? So ano po mangyari sa atin? Wala. Ang gusto po sa minority, hindi sila ma-attend. Buwas. Kasi kailangan ng 2/3 votes. Yan, pag maarman nato na hindi sila mag-attend buwas, wala na po kami sala. Ibig sabihin, hapusin na sa nila CNA. Independent ako, neutral ako. Pero dahil sa...
Isigos namon ini pulas yuda pero nag-attend silang committee. Ikaw, naka-attend ka sa committee.
It is my,
This is public interest.
it is the people. It is the people who will judge me on the election day. I suffered consequence for my... Di na, doon ito. Kasi, ano ako may eleksyon.
Let's move on. Ano makipagparaon? Ang udungon na lang sinasam na elected speech? Ang imo.
Magkuruan lang ka mo.
Ano lang naman, ang istoryahin ang pending motion para naman ipakita din ang istoryahin. Kasi pala
Hindi na nag-umirawin na tapos sa
Hindi ganit pwede ina na pending motion.
personalan na niya. Wala
Kaya
na
iguan
kami
IRP. May internal rules.
we follow the rules as bounded by the Constitution according to the local government code. But there must an exception. In every general, there must be exception. Once the majority have spoken already, the suspension
Where have you
kaya nga ni may rules kita, pero dili man ina fair ni mapapalo kasi may suspended. Kapila na kita nag-suspend sa actually mga trading principle gani.
Did we hear something like suspension of the rules?
Nakadagdag lang kita sa pension.
Suspension rules. Nag-deliver ka ng speech. Dapat nag-suspend
Si
ka.
Councilor Palo.
Election ka nag-vote for a resolution. That should be suspended. Oh.
Bawal talaga kita na mag-revoke sa organization. Bawal. Masiniyak pa kita.
On the floor, Madam Chair, prior to the recess. We have still Councilor
Mahon ako. Tawarin niyo.
Merry Christmas lani.
Ano kayo mayaman din so kailangan din. Intermittent fasting.
Tulungan mo niya para diri na wala ka mong iba na. Di ba? Pero na. There is an impasse of the supposed deliberation of the order of business today, and emotions are running high in the session. I move that we adjourn the session for today, and as agreed upon, a special session will be called tomorrow, specifically to deliberate matters. SNR, supplemental budget, SRI, CNA, and everything like that, and the barangay budget, and the city savings banks. All of these matters are very crucial before the fiscal year ends. And so, and likewise, the majority, as they claim to be the majority, would also call for a special session on their call. But at the same time, in this venue at 9 o'clock, if that is acceptable to group. I so move, Madam Chairperson.
Before the
Honorable Ruby, and then next, Honorable Dennis Pastor.
With due respect to the Honorable John Maris, I know that this is your proposal, this is fair, but well, I don't know if there's a fair game today. Well, gusto ko lang ipaabot sa mga tao na yan pwede naman natin inaitakan ng mga dapat i-special session tomorrow. If we only can promise na palagpasun tayo ni ng mga kasi we can go on with the adi naman kita tanan. Wala man po sinaga-oppose about sila na kay kinahanglan sa tanan. Kinahanglan, wala sinaga-oppose. Pero mind you, ini na mga empleyado, bisan kita, may ginaagihan sugat na nagamatter ang oras. Pero na kami kaadlaw na nagahinanap sa iyo or a special session called by the mayor, harahin ka mo. Tapos, we can bet tomorrow for a special session called by you. Ang ama ko nasa hospital yan na. Pero nakaadlaw, nagabalik-balik sa hospital. Without my presence, kay Adi, kay nasumpaan ko ini, kag kinahanglan ako dili. Arali na kita, may quorum. Tindugan talaga po nila na pending motion. O gusto niyo na ma-diretso gayod ini, kay gusto gayod man niyo. Intindihan ko, gusto man niyo na aprobaran para sa empleyado. Na makipagwasan ta pa. Na pagkaibabuas. Kay kamo ang makon sa special session. Amo lang.
Thank you, Madam.
Thank you, Madam Presiding Officer. Just for clarification to what Honorable James Paris mentioned a while ago. According to him, that there will be his special session tomorrow. And according to him, there are matters to be tackled, more than one items. Not according to the bangko, please be guided.
Your Honor, may I answer that?
I want to direct to the
the main
point because
concern
on this
tomorrow
special
is the
session,
supplemental
we
budget.
tackle only one item.
Yes,
Only one item in every special
This is
session.
precisely.
No need to tackle
Alright,
other
okay.
matters.
The supplemental budget.
Other than
The rules would also apply that if there is a motion of approving other matters duly approved by the majority present, then that could be deliberated also. But however, to satisfy the gentleman, tomorrow is special session only for supplemental budget.
Thank you, Honorable. And another issue, Madam, because our very active colleague, always present, but she mentioned also that according to him, there was how many sessions called by the city mayor?
Special session.
There is, yes. Yes. As we all know, there is a rules for calling attention of the special session by the chief executive. Only once there is no daily special session to that effect as far as I'm concerned. So another issue, that special session called by the city mayor is not for the CNA. Call session for approval of the LEP 2025 budget. When in fact the LEP
was referred back to the committee, to your committee, with your mistake, to your committee. Please be guided. Wala. Paano natin mga special session and budget na full deliberation pa? An special session, one session alone, we approve. We approve it. Tomorrow, we can approve the CED and SRI. Yes, thank you so much.
So upon the motion of Honorable Jamus Pares, the session for today is now.
Thank you. Thank you. Ay, nang kami pang-question tayo.
Crucial. Thank you. Crucial kayo, ma.
Ma'am, may extension pa man, madam. Ay, nang kami question tayo. Tapos na madam mga protest.
Pwede. Ano naging napag-usapan ngayong araw?
Kagaya ng narinig mo, in-adjourn natin yung session ngayon dahil sa hindi tayo nagtugma-tugma ng ating mga paniwala. Sa ilalim ng demokrasya, nire-respeto natin yan. At bilang collegial body ay kailangan mapakinggan ang opinion ng bawat isa. At yun naman ang ating ginawa. Ngunit talagang hindi magkasundo upang may approve ang ating order of business ngayong sesyon na ito. So, napagpasyahan na i-adjourn na lamang at bukas ay tatawag ng special session ng ating kagalang-galang na mayor at ang sa panig nila kung makatwiran ang kanilang paninindigan na sila ang majority, ay tatawag din sila ng special session sa parehong oras at parehong venue. At pag-uusapan ang supplemental budget na naglalaman ng pagbibigay ng CNA, SRI, at iba pang mga bayarin sa mga empleyado, permanente o casual o job order upang masaya naman ang Pasko ng ating mga kasama dito sa pamahalaang lungsod. Nagkausap naman tayo, nagkaroon ng isang desisyon na bukas magkita-kita kami sa isang special session. Yan ang sangkap ng demokrasya. Tayo ay hindi humihiwalay sa ganyang pag-uusap na kailangan pakinggan ang hindi sumasang-ayon at dapat din umiral ang dapat na pagdesisyonan ng pangkabuuan o pangkalahatan.
Di ba namin malaman kung bakit napaagang pag-adjourn ng session ngayon?
Kasi may previous and during the 111th regular session, nag-move for reorganization si Honorable Bala. And I noticed doon sa sa minute nila na yung pagsikan ng majority hindi naka-record. Kaya yun ang question namin. So hindi basta-basta ma-resolve. So kaisahan ng members na i-adjourn na muna, and then bukas magkakaroon kami ng special session solely doon sa supplemental budget number 1 sa 2024 para doon sa CNA na inaantay ng mga empleyado. Tapos yung gusto ko lang i-emphasize na yung CNA hindi yan napaloob doon sa pending na budget for 2025 kasi yung pundo para dyan ay inaproba na namin last June 2023 for 2024 budget na kung may mga savings sa mga every department, yun ang kukunin para ilaan dyan sa CNA and others. So mali po yung information na hindi na magugutom sila o hindi sila mag-enjoy this Christmas kasi hindi pa na-approve daw yung budget for 2025. Mali po yun.
So dito na lang siguro kung sila about dito sa minensyon ni City Councilor Ruby Murano na kumpleto naman present naman ngayon ang lahat ng mga members. So bakit hindi na lang na ituloy, bakit kailangan pa
Hindi pwede tumuloy kasi may pending motion, may pending unresolved motion. So hindi pwedeng mag-move on not unless na ma-resolve yung issue. So kaya napagkaisahan na i-adjourn na muna itong bukas mag-special session. Kasi may rolling tayo na ang session only one at a day. Yun lang. Hindi pwedeng halimbawa na adjourn kanina kaagad mag-special session kami. Bawal po yan sa ating internet.
Makuha na namin yung naging statement nyo kanina. Maagang na adjourn yung session ngayon. So ano naging raise nyo kanina, ma'am?
Nire-raise ko lang kasi kailangan ba mag-special session on matters that we all also would like to pass. Pareho sa supplemental budget for our employees, SRI. Lahat naman namin gusto yun. We can suspend the rules to go on with our other items on the order of business. Adi man kami tanan. Diba? If we really at heart is of service, this is the right time to face each other, to hear one another. Diba? And follow the rules. Respect. But how can we do that? Time is running and time is gold. Ang mga empleyado nagahulat. Ang matrabaho sina na supplemental. Dili man lang upon approval, pwede mo na ihatag. Diba? May mga kinahanglan na paperwork. So it's not akon lang masyado kinaduunan san importansya and aton pagpaimportante sa naton mga trabaho when in fact simple lang kunano ang para sa tao ihatag sa tao kunano ang ginsumpaan namo na serbisyo kag pagtrabaho maging presente diba naman kay puhan mag-araway tanan man namon gusto. Diba? And it has been proven. We have the records. Sino na-adi, sino nag-a-attend. Why let others suffer for your shortcomings?
Mula pala pag-umpisa ng session, parang nagkaroon kagad ng mga mga sagutan, may init na sagutan. Ano kayo pinag-ugatan noon?
Ang pinag-ugatan, they cannot move on with their so-called pending motion on the reorganization of committees. It was an issue that settled last session because we ended up also having adjourn the session. But you see, it is not just telling other councilors that we have to reorganize based on inefficiency or trust. It's because you have the majority. Because per record, we are on our toes with our duty, responsibility, and of course, we understand that every call for a session, every call for a committee hearing, it entails the money of the people. So, adi kami permi. I don't know well, it's politics maybe.
May punaga, Sir Liner. Ang nangyari po kanina sa regular session namon is
reiterate ko po sa atong presiding officer yung pending motion ko po. Kasi yung last session po namin, meron pong pending motion for reorganization. So, based po kasi sa atong parliamentary rules, since may pending motion, i-resolve na yung pending motion before mag-entertain sa other agenda. So, sad po yung naging raise ko man na although nag-egwang hindi pagkakaintindihan kanina, nagsaramot sa labas, o sad din ata na rason na gin-adjourn na yun ang session para at least yung init sa mga tao, dili na po magdako ang sarap. Magkakaroon sir ng special session bukas, yung kaulukod ko po sa konseho, nagkausad po. Manungod sa circular na kami daw po ng mga 7 councilors na nag-aurusad na dili nagatugot. Misconception po yan, kanira po sa amon. Party po sa mga bonuses sa nato ni staff, agree po kami na dapat ihatag na po na. Dugay po dapat ihatag na. Pero under DBM circular, dapat December 15 till December 30, in between, dapat doon mahatag ang CMA. Kahapon po, may submit ang city government, iba pong savings na 32 million. So, more or less, nasa 50,000 po ang bonuses na makuha sa nato ng mga empleyado, upod mo po mga job orders. So, agree po kami na dapat ihatag na po yun sa mga tao.